Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install DocuSign for insurance beneficiary updates. Complete. Open your web browser. Go to the DocuSign website. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account. Once logged in, navigate to the Templates section. Click on Create Template to start a new document. Upload the document you need for the insurance beneficiary updates. Select the relevant fields you want to include for signing. Make sure to add recipient roles according to your needs. Once all fields are set, click on Next. Assign roles by entering the email addresses of the beneficiaries. Customize the email message if necessary. Review the document and settings for accuracy. Click on Send to share the document with your beneficiaries. Each recipient will receive an email prompting them to sign the document. They should follow the link in the email to open DocuSign. Once they have signed, you will receive a notification. You can then download the completed document from your account. Ensure to keep a copy for your records. Repeat the process for any additional beneficiaries if needed. Check your email for any updates or messages from beneficiaries. Make sure to follow up if any documents remain unsigned. Your insurance beneficiary updates are now securely documented in DocuSign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.